So I came to check out this open water. I don't know if the ice is safe, but there's a goose. I think his head is frozen to his body. He's trying to get up and move, but I don't know if the ice is safe. He was trying to move, but his head's like, I'm on the ice, I guess. Fuck. I didn't bring my spud either. Come on, buddy, move. He won't move like he's trying to get his head out. I can't get a stick. I don't want to go further. Screw it, I'm gonna grab him. Hopefully the ice is safe. See, his head is stuck. I don't want to hurt him, but like, or did he break his, no, he's stuck to himself. Oh no, his neck is broken. I just grabbed him by the neck and it's not, I thought it was ice to himself. Well, that's one way to find out the ice is safe. I had to walk out here. Go set up my shanty. The current's going this way. So I want to set up over there on this warm water.